In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ReCAPTCHA to your online form to protect it from spam. We'll walk through each step clearly and thoroughly so you'll know exactly what to do. To get started, you'll need to have your form pulled up on your web page. Once you're on the right page and your form is in view, click directly on the form to select it. This action will bring up an option to Edit Form, which you'll see typically at the top or side of your interface. When you click Edit Form, it will open up the form builder for you. This is where the magic happens, and it's a straightforward tool that allows you to make various modifications and enhancements to your form. Next, within the form builder, you'll need to click on Settings. This section is crucial because it lets you manage and customize the finer details of your form. If you look through Settings, scroll down until you find the area labeled Spam Filter or Spam Filter Settings. This is where we'll add an extra layer of protection to prevent those pesky spam submissions. You'll notice several options related to ReCAPTCHA at this point. ReCAPTCHA is a free service from Google that helps protect websites from spam and abuse. It does so by distinguishing between humans and bots, which is why it's such a valuable tool for your form. You'll have a few choices here. You can choose Only ReCAPTCHA, which provides the most basic level of protection. It's great if you're just looking to get started with something simple. If you need a bit more security, you might opt for Basic and ReCAPTCHA, or go all in with Advanced and ReCAPTCHA. These options offer enhanced protection and can give you peace of mind knowing your form is secure. Once you've made your selection, you're almost there. It's important to test the changes you've made, so you'll need to publish your site. Publishing ensures that all the updates, including your newly configured ReCAPTCHA settings, are live and functioning as expected. After publishing, take a moment to test the form yourself. Fill it out as a user would and submit it to ensure everything is working smoothly. Check that the ReCAPTCHA feature operates as intended and that the form submission goes through without any hitches. And there you have it. You've successfully added a ReCAPTCHA to your form, helping to safeguard it against spam entries. By following these steps, not only are you improving your form's functionality, but you're also enhancing user experience and security. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.